I'm Chef Bae, and I am the virtual resident chef for Big Tree Farms. And today I'm going to show you how to use one of my all-time favorite ingredients that they have, their brown coconut sugar. It's low on the glycemic index, and this entire recipe is gluten-free, allergy-friendly, plant-based, and it's high in protein as a dessert. So it's really all the things you could want out of a sweet treat, and it's going to make you feel so good too. So let's make it. Next up is our star of the show, the brown coconut sugar. This is such an amazing flavor. Like, I love the way that this tastes in recipes. But not only that, its counterpart, typical cane sugar, uses so much fresh water. It's actually such a water suck crop. And coconut sugar is so much more eco-friendly, so much more sustainable. Big Tree Farms has actually been able to save billions and billions of gallons of fresh water just by you guys switching over to buying coconut sugar. So not only is it better for your body, but it's better for the environment too. So we're gonna use a half cup of this stuff in our brownies. So good. Oh my god. Look at that. Perfect gooey, chocolatey, high protein deliciousness that you can literally eat at any time of the day using our favorite Big Tree Farms coconut sugar. So good. You want to make this